Hey boy, Junglist, you think me done with you? Now, are you and your woman and picking them that I saw you expect to live? After you use the man them, seeing I met the man them lick down more man. And then I saw you expect to live on yacht with white girl. It no work like that, my youth. You see Interpol and FBI, them have your fire. Now, me get some picture upon the yard man them, you know. But me I verify them before me push them out. But you see that boy here, that dreadlocks boy here, that boy here for go to prison. That boy here one big tomato. You see, him there Barbados are going like him is a community leader. And all him a do, him a thief money from the people them and I sell peer drugs. And me now come off of your bumbuckler name. James, Rudy, Greenage. Listen, you a big pum pum. And you think you can hide behind the people them and certain things, and you kill more man. You understand? And more man brother them for step up and them family them for step up. You see right now, let me tell you something. Yo, you see if you not give me a call and make me know your side of this story, my youth. May I tell you, Interpol, FBI, and me have a link on the Barbados. A man in the Barbados police. Me I send the link. Cause me know say your tie is strong down in a Barbados, you know. And you do all of the fuckery. But you're your program now. Your program like you's an elder. And you deal with things for the people them. But you not deal with shit, my youth. You want me to tell you why you not deal with shit? Listen to that interview, yeah, where you get the news media.
200 years ago, a man named Robert Henry, the Speaker of the House at that time, was on this plantation with 234 slaves here that did this same project here with the wit. So we come to do it now without the wit. But the same plantation owners here, they're getting it done still, but they have the money, which is the new wit. Alright? So they have the money, so they use the money to get the land plow. But we, it's who they have to give the money to plant the land.
Now, on the year where him just say, him touch upon the plantation owner them from back in the days. And him say they're doing the same thing from back in the days, but the only difference is that now they're gonna give him the money so that he can plant the land. Pretty much what he's saying, listen, I want him to give me some money and I'm gonna take it. Because this project with a thief in dreadlocks boy say he's doing in Barbados, nothing came out of it. Now, the people them afraid of him, you know. You understand? But me I tell you no, don't be afraid of Junglist. Wanna give me a call and give me some more information upon him. Like I say, I contact Interpol, the FBI, and me have a little boy in the Barbados Police Department where me and him link. But through the boy Rudy Greenage, James Rudy Greenage, him have the link of Barbados, I'm kinda afraid to deal with them. So me I try make some international people deal with it because him go all over go sell coke. Him is a big time coke dealer. Enough for the man them from St. Vincent and other place, and him set them up and rob them. So you have enough man from St. Vincent right now who's in jail in Barbados, and it's because of him. Him kill Moreland because him say Moreland broke in him house. I mean, sorry, me now cut it out in him business. But when we look back at it, Moreland is a hustler and make money. Him and him brother them. So, Junglist, that tomato ya, he was afraid of the man. And him put a hit on the man. Him pay some yard man to kill the man. You understand? Him keep a party the night and act like he doesn't know what was going on. And make the man then kill the man. With that said, I want to push out the yard man them. The yard man them, me get some picture upon them, like I said earlier. But guess what? I need some confirmation. So I want some people link me and make we confirm them yard man ya. Then me I put the package together and me I shut it out to the right authorities. Yo, Rudy, if you don't give me a call, you understand? You better call Countryman and make we talk about this. Because if not, you're not gonna like what happened to you. Remember me tell you, you're not gonna live your life a fuck pussy and I make all these big traveling in New York, Long Island. You think I don't know you go to Long Island? And then think that, yo, you have to live your life in a fairy tale, my youth. In a work like that, in a Countryman book. You do something more me not like. You use the youth them and push them out. And you see, people like you, remember me tell you, Countryman are come for the bomber clad, especially you. I want to push out the yard man them. Push them out. You understand? And make we confirm it. But you see that boy Rudy. Rudy, James Rudy, Greenage, Junglist. And you run Barbados. And you are the biggest dope dealer and killer in a Barbados. Appear it you put per man. You understand, low key. But you run some farming program. Junglist, you see if you not call me, watch what's gonna happen to you. Just like the boy Shotty Mark. You see you and Shotty Mark are two pussy hole will not get away from me if I the last thing me do. I may try work with you now. Junglist, James Rudy Greenage, you better give me a call, you know. And if you not call me, I make we talk about this. Watch what gonna happen to you. You don't believe me? Watch and see. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. You see, them youth here, the reason why I got offer them boy. You see, over the years, throughout my life, enough of them kind of people I deal with. And them is a slime bag. Them want things for free. Them will kill you for money. Them walk you like dog and then push you out. And you see that? As something where Countryman hate. You see, if you don't like me, don't deal with me. Cause you see, if you deal with me in a fuck up way and act like you like me, listen, you have a big problem. And you see you, the black dreadlocks boy, yeah? Watch me and you. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.